G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you an unboxing of Elemental Proportions.
Indeed, and a bit of a special. Whilst Michael is away, he's over in the States for the ANA. And so we we like to do a bit of a, while Michael's away, the cancel play kind of vibe, kind of idea. So we'll be doing these at a U-Butte price, Alex, cheaper than the buybacks would normally be.
Yep.
So yeah, I'm sure they will go very, very quickly. We've only got a couple of boxes of them. I just dragged down the one, but yeah, excited to see.
I'm almost tempted to say, if you're watching this, it's sold out. I don't want to say that.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not.
Otherwise, it's just going to reach the point of no one actually will want to watch the videos because it's almost just the announcement of quick, go check that link.
Okay, so these are the Elemental Silver 10-ounce bars.
We've got to catch ourselves every time it is Elemental, not Elemental,
That's
like we're
right.
used to with the XAG bars.
Yes.
But a similar kind of vibe where they go for that scientific periodic table look to them.
I am a fan of these. We get these in buybacks now and then in the 1 ounce. I haven't seen the 10-ounce before, and they do look pretty snazzy.
So you've got the chemical symbol there, obviously the atomic number and weight as well, and then over the flip side their logo, the E and the M kind of interlocking there with the details on the bar. So kind of one of those things that I think the American viewers will go, oh yeah, I've seen that all the time. I was just taking a look at a map. They've got locations all over the US. So yeah, definitely. I think it's the biggest refinery in the US. So lots of American viewers will go, yeah. We've seen them before, know them very well. But it's, as you said, we do see them sometimes in buybacks, but it's also not a super common thing to get through as a new bar.
And coming in my favourite size, which is the 10-ounce.
Indeed. Kind of ticks a lot of boxes, the 10-ounce. Kind of get a decent amount for your money without having to spend as much as like a kilo or something like that.
Absolutely.
And we're going to be doing a U-Butte rate, Alex. It is $30 over spot for these bars.
It is. So, yep, grab yourself a bargain if you can, and yeah, enjoy.
We'll see if the stock guy can get away with this one before Michael realizes we've put up this video. And yeah, we'll see. We might we'll chat with our stock guy Adam and see if we can organise another one whilst Michael is away for the whole week. But if not, we will see you in the next video.
See ya.